In this video, we're going to look at creating Tai Chi and Qigong standing postures by growing from a low, unformed, or coiled primal crouch, rising to a final position or shape while keeping some of the rooted, earthy, primal state as we form the upright position. Feel free to follow along and experience the powerful effects of this ancient method. We'll start with a basic parallel stance and create a simple Wu Chi standing meditation position, also the starting point for most Tai Chi forms. First, we sink down and fold at the hip joints, relaxing and releasing the straight back to get to a basic ape-looking down position. We can remain here for a few seconds or perhaps longer, feeling our legs, our ankles and feet, our connection to the ground, to the earth. Then we slowly rise to an upright posture, starting with a push from the feet and legs, followed by opening the hip joints and also raising and straightening the back and head. But we do not straighten the legs completely. This slight bend in the knees, what we call the Tai Chi inch, enables us to retain the feeling of being grounded, rooted, connected to the earth, even in an upright position. We pause for a few seconds or a few breaths and then repeat the process. Sink and fold, feeling the animal connection to the earth. And then rise up, maintaining some of that rooted feeling. Then we stand for a few breaths or longer in the upright and rooted state. This is Tai Chi standing. Now we repeat the process, but with the feet somewhat wider apart, about 1.5 shoulder widths. This is what we call the small horse or internal horse stance. We start by sinking and folding into the ape position and then slowly rise to an upright posture, but keeping even a little more of a bend in the legs. The arms and hands can remain down in front of the body, or they can come up and out into the double pung position, arms rounded, palms facing inward. We can also finish in 2 other positions. Double fists. The fists are closed but not too tight, held in front of the body at rib cage level. And push mountain palms. The palms face forward, projecting energy beyond the body. Each of these positions can be held for a few breaths or considerably longer, feeling the connection of the root energy and the shape of the specific horse posture. In this exercise, we go back to the shoulder width Wuchi position, but now we're going to rise to finish in 3 different postures, corresponding to the 3 realms in Chinese philosophy: earth, man, and heaven. First, we rise up rooted as before, but ending a little short of fully upright, not totally straightening the position of the spine and head. Then we return to the 8 position and rise again, this time raising the arms and hands to the double pung position we did in the horse stance. Next, we pulse down to ape and come up again, this time going past vertical, opening the hips, arching the upper back, opening the chest and arms, looking up to the sky. Hold for a few breaths, feeling both rooted and expansive. We finish the sequence by pulsing down slightly and then rising with the hands down, ending in a calm, rooted standing position. This same method can be used to form any of the other Tai Chi or Qigong postures. This method is, of course, not the only way of getting into Tai Chi standing positions, but it's a great way of ensuring that our postures are rooted and connected. Try it every day for 9 days, and you will definitely feel the difference. It will also improve your movements in forms practice, as well as your stability and power in pushing hands and martial applications. We hope you enjoyed this short video. Feel free to contact us with any questions, comments, or interesting experiences at don.miller@brooklinetaichi.org, and also check out our online classes and workshops at www.brooklinetaichi. Rise up rooted.